Working on some tumblers this morning. This is Kate from Crafting with Kate. And I thought I would jump on real quick and show you this one. It's new. I'm doing multiples of this, but they're all the same. Look at that shimmer. It's only iridescent, no chunky, all fine. And then a very cool decal. This is for bridesmaids. I hope that you have a wonderful Saturday. Looking to be gorgeous outside where I live. Enjoy your weekend if you're doing anything special. You're going away, you're camping, getting together with family. Have fun. Tell me what you're doing.